puts the toss. Dhoni is the boss. Dhoni is the boss. When Gumby hits a century, when Gumby hits a century, Beatley goes for any injury. Beatley goes for any injury. When Seward is the ball to the fence, when Seward is the ball to the fence, pointing becomes tense. Pointing becomes tense. When Taylor son of this taken, when Taylor son of this taken to the third umpire decision. To the third umpire decision. He loses his batting position. He loses his batting position when India is need of a run. When India is need of a run. Down glows the blazing sun. Down glows the blazing sun. When India gets the cup. When India gets the cup, they raise it up. They raise it up. Thank you.
Super, give them big hands.